G'day. Oh, can't you see me? I'm here. There I am, down at the bottom of the screen. G'day guys, Aussie Mark here. Today we're going to be having a look at this video behind me. It's not one of mine, it's actually one of my subscribers, John Twist, and I put his link down in the description below. He's very kindly allowed me to take the video that he uploaded to his channel and see if I can make any changes through editing to make a bit of a difference, make it stand out a bit more, or just give it a different look. So stick with me, we'll go to the editing tool that I like to use and see if we can make some changes. Well, there you go. Thanks for letting me play around with your video, John. You've got a great version over there on your channel, and here's another version that I just created. I hope you enjoy it. I hope not just you, John, I hope all of my subscribers enjoy seeing the editing that I've done from beginning to end, and hopefully maybe you learned something. If not, well, I hope you were entertained at the very least. Once again, I'm Aussie Mark. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can see what I've come up with next. And remember, my channel's not just about drones, it's about drones and other RC, as well as video production techniques. How you can improve your videos, how you can add to your videos, how you can improve your YouTube channel. Take care for now. Bye-bye.